Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, if you'd like to view the no views on your TikTok video, in today's video we are going to guide you to the process to fix it. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. So we can start by troubleshooting the technical issues. For that, you can go over to profile, tap on it and open up your profile page like this on your screen and head over and find the video from your screen and go ahead and select the video and tap on it. Let's say, for example, this is the video that I have posted or you may have posted. So what you can do is you can go to its privacy settings, look out for the dot from the sidebar menu and tap on it. And once you tap on it, it should open up this. You can go over and look out for privacy settings and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you just need to go ahead and select the option of who can see this post. So you can select the option from public to only me. And once you select it up, you can wait for a moment before changing it back to public. That can reset the algorithm's perception of the video and help it process quickly. And you can also try creating an original content, avoid reposting content from other platforms or accounts, as TikTok's algorithms often penalizes unoriginal materials. And post consistently but not excessively. Maintain a very regular posting schedule, but avoid the floating the platform with too many videos in a short period, as this can be seen as spams. And also try engaging with other creators. So interact with other accounts by liking or going ahead and looking for comment, tap on comment for that. And you can type in comment for the TikTok, and then you can just go ahead and follow the content in your niche. That will help TikTok's algorithm understand your interests and can lead to more reciprocal engagement. And also try using the famous sounds, like the sounds which are in trending right now, or popular music that tracks into the videos to increase the chances of being discovered. And that's it. So you can follow up this method if you'd like to go ahead and fix the no views on your TikTok videos. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.